Just a quick review of a toy I got for Christmas. It's a XHD model diecast of the Cybertruck in matte gray, and I thought I'd show it to you guys. Look at that. Pretty nice packaging. See this now. Got a little thing on there. Hey, looks pretty good, just like my car. Huh, I like that. So, let's see what we got here. I don't know if that's accurate, but looks like this opens up. Yeah, got the front action there. And you got, let's see, the doors open up. You can see the seats in there. Oh, look at that. That's, oh, what? Okay. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, I thought this feature is kind of cool. Look at that. Doesn't quite go all the way to the ground, but you get the idea. Thing there. It's all right. All right, let's see what else we got here. That trips me out. All right, so it says in the package that if you pull it, it goes. Okay, that's cool. And then if you, let's see here. Oops. If you really, oh my God. I almost got it right. Oh man, well hey, go out and get your XHD model diecast of the Cybertruck. Oh my gosh, I can't, that's hey, light bar's pretty cool though. Oh. Oh man, that was great.